In this video, we will be learning addition theorem of probability and solving the related sums. Addition theorem of probability of two events. For any two events A and B of a sample space S, P of A union B is given by P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Where P of A intersection B, we know A intersection B is the set of all common elements of both A and B. So we have to subtract the probability of A intersection B from the sum of P of A and P of B. Now we solve the related sums. Exercise 9.2. We select question number 4. A bag contains 75 tickets numbered from 1 to 75. One ticket is drawn at random. Find the probability that the number on the ticket is a perfect square or divisible by 4. Perfect square or divisible by 4. And we know the word or is related with the union of two sets. So we have to find the event A union B, or the event of two, that is the union of two events that satisfying these conditions. And B is the number on the ticket is a prime number or greater than 40. So the number on the ticket, first we consider the first one. First case, that is number on the ticket is a perfect square or divisible by 4. Now we have to find the sample space. Here, instead of writing, we know the sample space means chances of selecting one from these 75 tickets. All the 75 numbers will come, so we don't write the sample space here. We will directly write the number of elements of the sample space. Now, one ticket can be drawn out of these 75 tickets in 75 C1 is equal to 75 different ways. So, there are the possible chances is 75, that is n of s is equal to 75. After getting the number of elements in the sample space, we have to select the favorable event and the number of elements of it. Let us select the event A as the event that the number on the ticket is a perfect square. Event that the number on the ticket is a perfect square. So we can write the event that is set of elements 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64. These numbers are the perfect square between 1 and 75. 1 is the square of 1, 4 is the square of 2, like that. 64 is the square of 8. So there are 8 elements in this event A. N of A equal to 8. Now we can find the probability of A. P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. Number of elements of A divided by number of elements of sample space. That is 8 upon 75 is the probability of A. Now we choose the event B as the number on the ticket is divisible by 4. So we will select all the numbers which are divisible by 4 between 1 and 75. So these are the numbers 4, 8, 12, 16, etc. 72. These are the numbers divisible by 4. So there are 18 elements, n of b equal to 18. So we can calculate P of b, that is n of b upon n of s is equal to 18 upon 75. Now write the events A and B separately and observe for the common elements. We can see that event 4, 16, 36, 64 are the common elements of both A and B, that is number of elements is equal to 4. So n of A intersection B equal to 4. So we can find the probability P of A intersection B is equal to n of A intersection B divided by n of S, that is equal to 4 upon 75. Now the required probability, that is probability that the number drawn is a perfect square or divisible by 4. So P of A union B, union is related to the word or. So by addition theorem we know that P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Substitute all the probabilities. P of A 8 upon 75 plus P of B 18 upon 75 minus P of A intersection B is equal to 4 upon 75. and on simplification we will get 22 upon 75 is the required probability. Now we consider the next case. Number on the ticket is a prime number or greater than 40. So we will choose the event that the first one is a prime number and second one greater than 40. So n of s we know 75. Now let the event A is defined as the number on the ticket is a prime number. So we can write the event A, that is 2, 3, 5 till 75 we need to write. So the last number in between 1 and 75 is 73. That is, these all numbers are the prime numbers. That is, n of a is equal to 21. There are 21 elements in this event. So n of a is equal to 21. Then corresponding probability is calculated by n of a upon n of s, which is equal to 21 upon 75. Now we choose the event B that contains the numbers greater than 40. So clearly the event B contains the numbers from 40 to 75, that is 41 greater than 40, so 41 to 75. Clearly there are 35 elements, n of B is equal to 35, so the probability is P of B is equal to n of B upon n of S, that is equal to 35 upon 75. Now we find the intersection of both A and B, that is, you can observe that there are the common elements, that is the prime numbers between 41 to 75, that is between 41 including that is between greater than 40 till 75. So the number 41, 43, 47 etc. 73, these are the prime numbers greater than 40 till 75. There are 9 numbers, so n of A intersection B is equal to 9. So P of A intersection B is n of A intersection B upon n of S, which is equal to 9 upon 75. We have calculated P of A, P of B and P of A intersection B. Now we calculate the required probability, that is the probability that the number on the ticket is a prime number or greater than 40. That is represented by P of A union B, which is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Substitute the values 21 upon 75 plus 35 upon 75 minus 9 upon 75. On simplification, we will get 47 upon 75. Question number 6. 2 fair dice are thrown. Find the probability that the number on the upper face of the first die is 3 or sum of the numbers on their upper faces is 6. First consider the case when 2 fair dice are thrown. And clearly we know the sample space S is equal to the event 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, etc. 1, 6. The different cases possible are 2, 1 and these are the elements possible in the sample space, that is till 6, 6. And clearly n of S is equal to 36. Now we define the event A such that the event that is the event that the number on the upper face of the first die is 3. So we know that the first numbers on these elements equal to 3. So these are the possible favorable outcomes. So A is the event of favorable outcomes and it is number of elements is equal to 6. So we can find the probability of A, n of A upon n of S is equal to 6 upon 36. We can simplify it, but we don't simplify. Now we defined B is the event that the sum on the numbers on the upper face is equal to 6. So we will choose the elements such a way that the numbers added up to get the number 6. So 1 plus 5 is 6, 5 plus 1 is 6, 2 plus 4 and 4 plus 2, 3 plus 3. All these elements give the sum 6. So number of elements of B is equal to 5. So we can find P of B as n of B upon n of S is equal to 5 upon 36. Now A intersection B, that is the common elements, that is out of these A and B there is only one element, that is 3, 3. Ordered by 3, 3 is the common element in both A and B. So n of A intersection B is equal to 1. So we can find the probability of A intersection B, that is n of A intersection B upon n of S, that is 1 upon 36. Now we find the required probability, that is the probability that the number on the upper face of the first die is 3 or the sum of the numbers on their upper face is equal to 6, that is P of A union B, is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B is equal to 6 upon 36 is P of A, 5 upon 36 is P of B and 1 upon 36 is P of A intersection B. On simplification we will get it as 10 upon 36 and we can cancel 2 from both numerator and denominator, we will get 5 upon 18. Question number 7. For two events A and B of a sample space S, if P of A is equal to 3 upon 8, P of B equal to 1 upon 2 and P of A union B equal to 5 upon 8. Find the value of A, that is P of A intersection B, then P of A dash intersection B dash, that is P of A complement intersection B complement, and P of A complement union B complement, and we will find one by one. First one, P of A intersection B. Given probabilities we have written. Now by addition theorem of probability we have P of A union B, that is 5 upon 8. We substitute the values of P of A and P of B and we need to find P of A intersection B. So take this minus P of A intersection B to the LHS and take 5 upon 2 the RHS. 5 upon 8 to the RHS. So we get 3 upon 8 plus 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 8, that is on simplification by making the denominators equal we will get 2 upon 8, that is 1 by 4. Second one, P of A is equal to, these all probability used to find P of A complement intersection B complement, and we have P of A complement intersection B complement is same as P of A union B the whole complement. Complement of a set you have already learned in the sets and relations lesson. So P of A union B the whole complement. So P of A union B the whole complement is calculated by 1 minus P of A union B, and P of A union B we have already that is P of A union B 5 upon 8. So substituted the value and getting 3 upon 8. Last one is C, that is we have already calculated P of A intersection B, that is 1 by 4, and we need to calculate P of A complement union B complement, that is P of A intersection B the whole complement. So 1 minus P of A intersection B the whole complement, that is it is same as P of A complement. P of A complement is calculated by 1 minus P of A. So here in place of A we have A intersection B. So we will write 1 minus P of A intersection B and substitute the value of P of A intersection B, that is 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4 is the required probability. Now the next part is explained in the next video. Thank you.